Hey, it's Tom with All Star Clean Pros. Are your carpets looking a bit dull and dirty? Don't fret. All Star Clean Pros can help. We specialize in professional carpet cleaning services that will help restore your carpets to their former glory. Our expert team employs industry standard methods and the best products to ensure a deep and thorough cleaning. Whether you're dealing with traffic dirt or stubborn stains, All Star Clean Pros can take care of it. Plus, we understand the importance of indoor air quality and use only eco-friendly products to ensure your home is clean and safe for all allergy sufferers. So, if you're looking for an effortless way to bring your carpets back to life, look no further than All Star Clean Pros. Give us a call today and get a free estimate to start enjoying your clean, refreshed carpets. We are the professionals you can trust to bring your carpets back to life without killing your wallet. Our experienced team of certified cleaners have provided amazing results to thousands of residential and commercial customers in the area. We use only the safest and most effective cleaning agents available, ensuring that your carpets are cared for without exposing you to harmful chemicals or leaving behind toxic residue. With our system, you can be back on your carpets in 1 to 2 hours instead of the 12 to 24 hours with the other companies. Give us a call or visit us online at www.allstarcleanpros.com to set up your free, no obligation site visit.